Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to show you how to download YouTube videos on your phone. Alright, so to do this, all you need to do is go to the Play Store or App Store, like so, and just search for YouTube if you haven't downloaded it already. So let's do that. And as you can see, we've already downloaded it. So just tap on open like this. And we're going to be in the YouTube page, homepage. So let's just look for a video that we want to download. So for example, this one, let's tap on pause. As you can see here, we don't want to wait for ads. So let's just look for another one. So maybe this one. There you go. As you can see, there's a menu here, the like button, the share, the remix, and as you can see here, the download button here. So all you need to do is tap on download, and you can tap on view. And as you can see here, the video is being downloaded at 6474. Okay, let's wait for it to finish. And there you go. We have downloaded the video. So the good thing about downloading YouTube videos on the app is that, sure, it's not downloaded on your phone, but it's still on the app. So whether or not you have a Wi-Fi access or whether or not you have network, you can still play the videos. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.